In the first two courses, we will collect data from drawings, contracts, receipts, and our documents, and we will translate scanned documents and files of various formats in text and tabular form. Almost all documents what small and large companies and businesses use and their work are saved in PDF, JPEG, or scanned form. The first part is devoted to the collection and extraction of data from documents. In this course, you will learn how to extract data from PDF documents, invoices, receipts, drawings, and any other documents in PDF format. We will work on real data. We will have two mini datasets consisting of PDF files, what we will transform to a text and to tabular form. We will visualize the received data on the Kaggle platform using Python libraries, which will help us to depict our received data in a graphical format. During the training process, we will install Python and such libraries as pandas, Seaborn, matplotlib, and others. We will upload the received data to the Kaggle platform, and here, using the Jupyter notebook, we will visualize our data, and at the end, we will upload our data to a GitHub platform. When I got acquainted with the topic big data and machine learning myself, I often came across problems when installing software and errors while installing various libraries and tools for working with big data. It took me a lot of time to find the right solutions, and I would like to save this time for you. To understand the topic of big data and machine learning, I had to look for a large number of questions for which I did not receive direct answers. In this course, you will find answers to the basic questions related to the topic of big data and machine learning. This is a practical course, and to start practicing, you need only the installed Windows system. This course is for beginners, so you do not need any special programming knowledge or in-depth theoretical knowledge of Python.